Welcome to Daily Writing Journal. This episode is Video Games, Yay! Part 5, Revise and Edit. In the previous episode, I finished my story. I wrote a total of 5 paragraphs, the introductory paragraph, body paragraphs 1, 2, and 3, and the concluding paragraph. Now that I'm done, we move on to the revise and edit stage of the writing process. This means that we fix up our writing to make sure it says exactly what I want it to say. First, take a break, step away a bit, and look at your story with a fresh eye and read it out loud. Do a big picture check. Does the beginning grab your attention? Did I include enough details in the middle? Does the ending finish nicely? And then add more sensory details, using more descriptive words that show what you saw, felt, and heard. Make it flow by adding transition words like next and finally to connect events. Then fix little things like spelling, capital letters, punctuation, and grammar. And when all else fails, ask someone to check it over. Here we go. Have you ever played a game with endless possibilities? Roblox is like that for me. It's a world full of exciting games to explore, creative tools to build with, and a fun way to play with friends. Here are 3 reasons why I love Roblox. One of the things I love most about Roblox is the many games that I can play. Some days I feel like going on an adventure, while other days, I just want to build something cool. From puzzle games to action games, there is always something that matches my mood. Another reason why I like Roblox is that you can play with friends. My friends and I can all join the same game, and we help each other to win or build cool things together. It's fun to hang out in Roblox because we can chat and explore new worlds together. Finally, Roblox is cool because it's always changing. Every week there are new events, updates, and items to discover. I love logging in to see what's new and finding new challenges to complete. This keeps Roblox exciting because it never gets boring. In conclusion, Roblox is my favorite because it's full of exciting games, creative possibilities, and a way to connect with friends. Every time I play, I discover something new and fun. That's why I keep coming back to Roblox. Now fix any mistakes, add more details, and make sure everything makes sense. Great job, everyone. We are all finished. Once you're ready to start writing a new story, check out our next writing prompt, Animal Lovers, Part 1, the pre-write. Great job, everyone. If you would like a copy of the writing journal or digital download to print, follow the link below to purchase the item. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.